Hello guys, in this video just going to explain how to change this. For example, if you're using Photoshop, right? So in Photoshop you can see this plus symbol, this cursor. If you are clicking this pen tool, right, pen tool or any tool, okay, pen tool or any tool, you're selecting it or pressing P. If you're seeing this plus symbol, right, but if you want to see as a pen tool, what you need to do is on your keyboard, okay, first check whether the caps lock is on. It should be turned off, so I'm going to turn it off. Turned off. Okay, so turned off. Fine. Now I'm going to check this on screen. Is changed. It is changed. So if you're pressing this caps lock, it will be changing as plus. If turn down the caps lock, then you can see this pen tool symbol. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care, friends.